Hi everyone, it's Christian from Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre. Now I want to show you the GripSport, the one that we've had the pleasure of fitting onto this Jayco Expanda over the last few days. Now the beauty about the GripSport is it can fit straight onto the front of your Caravan, even with the Expanda where the bed has to come out the front of the van. It's still easy to assemble, fit on and take off so you can utilise the bed at the front. So I'm just going to show you how easy it is. It's as simple as this really. Pull the R-clip out, pull the pin out, place it somewhere you're not going to forget about it, and the GripSport just comes straight off. Now what this allows you to do is pull the bed down without affecting any of the bracketry that's there for the GripSport. As you can see, it misses the bracketry completely, so you can utilise the bed, and then once you're finished and you want to put your bikes back on the rack for travelling back home, put the bed back up, we'll leave it like that just for the moment. Bike rack back in, pin through, after pin, just tighten those bolts so it doesn't move anywhere, bike's back on and you're ready for travel. Now if you do have a Jayco Expanda and you want to travel with some bikes and you do like the look of the GripSport, I must say I actually love fitting them because they're a great product. Please come and see us at Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre and I'll be able to help you out.